People who use the urinal next to another person despite 8 other open urinals. Why? I'm just trying to assert dominance. I thought COVID got rid of that. But nope. It also didn't get rid of dude that gets too close when he talks either. So half of my splashback goes on them. Because when I have to piss like a wounded racehorse, I really don't give a fuck where the urinal is. I like to stand there and name people's penises. Maybe they are alone in this world, and by peeing next to them you are letting them know they are not alone, and to prove it, here's a little tinkle for your shoe. I would imagine someone thinking that I use the buddy system. Or when there are 3 urinals and someone decides to use the middle one. I like having someone to talk to when I go poop.